Your confidence will only start to develop and flourish when you have rebuilt your self-worth, regained your self-esteem and self-love, and reclaimed your ability to feel empowered. Note that I've used the words rebuild, regain, and reclaim. This is because you've always had these qualities within you. You were empowered from the day you were born. You came into this world with your self-worth and your self-esteem intact, as well as an amazing capacity to love yourself and others. But you lost some or all of these qualities at some point in your life due to a series of bad experiences. The good news is that with some help and support, you can rediscover and reconnect with these qualities again, because you already have them within you. Refusing to accept other people's negative opinion about yourself is the first step to building your self-confidence. If someone makes nasty comments about you, acknowledge that they are expressing their personal feelings and thank them for sharing their opinion. Or you can say this to them: you can think whatever you want or say whatever you want, but I am choosing not to let it in. Your words have no power over me. If you're trying to hurt my feelings or make me feel bad, it's not working. When you do this, you completely neutralize their negative words. As long as you remember that what they're saying is not based on facts, has nothing to do with you, but a lot to do with their jealousy, pettiness, and spitefulness, their words will hold no power over you. If you found this video helpful, please like it and share it. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, where you will find more of my motivational videos for young people. You can also follow me on Instagram. Take good care of you and see you next week.